What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys did not notice, I got a new camera setup. I got the A6000 on Black Friday with the Joby tripod mount. It's the 3K Joby Gorilla Pod, and this setup is I actually like it a lot. I was actually trying to get the A7 Mark II, but they didn't have it in the store I went to. But the A6000 was a good deal, so I had to get it. It came with a bag, 2 lenses, and a memory card, and it was all for $600. And I actually got the last one. I came pretty late too, and I got the last one. So thankfully, I got it, and I got a new setup. But anyways, enough of that. If you guys want to know more about it, let me know. But I actually am making this video today because I am swapping axle backs. So right now I'm running the Nameless 3-inch axle back, and Junior, which is Aboud's girlfriend's brother, he let me borrow his 4-inch Nameless axle backs. So honestly, I'm not expecting any like differences like in sound, but the reason why I want to swap it out is because there's a huge gap between the exhaust and the bumper, and I'll show you that right now. So as you can see, there's a huge gap between the exhaust and bumper, and honestly that's like about 1 inch. But these, the 4-inch ones, should basically fill up that whole bumper and just not have a gap. So that's what I'm about to do. It shouldn't be hard install, but I'm not sure how those, what's that called? What are those things called? I forgot what they're called, but those ones are really hard to take out. So yeah, let's get this install going, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And in the end, I'm gonna post like a little before and after clip so you guys can hear the differences, which I doubt there'll be any difference. If there is, I'm gonna be pretty surprised. But yeah, so watch out for that. So basically, all you need to do to replace the axle backs is you need to take out those 2 bolts. Make sure you have a wrench and a ratchet, so that way when you're ratcheting the other side, basically hold the other bolt in place, so that way it loosens. And then after that, you just need to take out those I forgot what they're called. I seriously forgot what they're called. But all you gotta do is just take that out. You could use some WD-40 to take it out. Shouldn't be that hard. There should only be 2, so after that one, it's that one, and then it should easily be able to take it out. So after that, that's basically all you have to do, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just want to do a little update. I just cut out one of the axle backs off, and this is a little, dang, look how dirty this is. But this is a little comparison. You can tell it's so much better. What I like about this one though is you can see like this one's further out than this one. This one is too, but it's barely, you could barely notice it. But I don't mind it. I'd rather have it cover up the gap more than it looking funny. But yeah, that's a little comparison. Now back to the install. Hi guys. Super easy install. I just finished passenger side. This is the driver's side. Wow, you can see a big difference. Still trying to figure out if I can move this up a bit more just so it closes this gap, but you can already tell this is a huge difference. But yeah, time to get the last side in. I'm probably not going to record that because you guys saw me recording this. So yeah, let me knock that side down. Alright guys, we just finished the install. I'm not sure if I have any dirt on my face because when I was taking out the 3-inch axle backs, a lot of stuff fell on my face. Like I'm talking about like rocks and like dirt and all that. So if there is, I'm sorry. But yeah, let me show you guys. I'm actually pretty happy with the results. So this is what it looks like. The 4-inch Nameless exhaust. I have some tips that I want to say to you guys. If you guys do plan on installing axle backs, since this is my second time, but when you take out those what is that called? I keep forgetting what these are. Whenever you're trying to take these off, try to get like WD-40 or breakaway, and all you gotta do is spray it and it should slide off easy. And also spray this on your bolts, the 2 bolts, but it's a 14-inch socket. But anyways, yeah, so make sure you have this spray on the exhaust. Dang, what is this called? Anyways, spray it on this, spray it on the bolts. If you guys have impact gun, I highly suggest that because the bolts may be rusted. Hold on, I'm getting a call right now. That shit slaps. Hello? I had a dope ringtone, right? But anyways, yeah, so get a any type of lubricant, spray it on the 4 bolts, which is 2 per axle back, and then spray it on the exhaust, those clamps. I know that's not the right word for it, but spray it on those things. I don't know, I can't think of the word for it, but yeah, spray it on that, and it should come out smooth as butter. And that's about it. And I'm just gonna do a little exhaust comparison right now. And yeah, just listen to it. Alright guys, so that was a comparison of the 3-inch and 4-inch. Also a little installation video. It only took 30 minutes to an hour. It should have taken less, but there's one bolt that was messing with me. The impact gun wouldn't line up correctly with the bolt, or the nut. I had to do it by hand, which took a while, especially since it was a little rusted, but it's all good. I got it out. It was a super easy installation or swap, I guess you could say. If you guys are scared to do mods on your car, I highly suggest trying this one out. This one is like, I would say level 1 out of 5. It's literally only like 4 bolts and taking it out. The hangers, that's what it is. The hangers, the exhaust hangers. Yeah, so that's what it is. The little rubber parts are the exhaust hangers. That's what I was talking about. But anyways, yeah, you just take those out and bam, it's easy. Like honestly guys, like I really highly suggest doing this mod if you're a beginner. Also guys, if you guys were wondering, the exhaust did make a bit of a difference. The one thing that I noticed was when I started revving it, I hear the turbo more in the beginning. It kind of lags a bit. I don't know, maybe it's just a startup, maybe it's still getting used to the exhaust, to the axle back, but I don't know, I feel like I hear the turbo more. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, maybe it's just like all in my head or anything, or something like that, but yeah, that's all. That's basically like, it sounds a little louder, but probably just because it was more of a cold start. But I don't know, I'll let you guys know in the future videos if I do feel like it made a difference, or if I lost my pops, or if I still have them, or I just update you guys on the next video. Hopefully this video helped you. If it didn't, just hit me up in the DMs or comment down below. If you do need any help, I'll be happy to assist you. And yeah, this concludes the end of the vlog. If you guys enjoyed this video, y'all sure you know, please finger bang that like button and subscribe guys. I'm out. Peace.